Casey, what was your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day was, well, first, just the fact that we made it a priority to go to the Ozarks to do this. But also, I'm fascinated by cicadas. But Melissa, watching you and you, Kim, like them crawling onto your finger and realizing they don't bite, they're very friendly or timid, and putting them all over my hands, and they were crawling around. And by the end of the day, it felt like I had all these little pets.
What was your favorite part of the day? I really liked getting up close and personal with them. A creature that I was really scared of the last time I saw it. Just having it kind of walk around and see that they're freaked out. You know, they've been in the dark for 13 years and they're thrust into this sensory overload, and I felt a little sympathy for them.
Kim, what was your favorite part of the day?
I just always like being outside with my buddies. I was really looking hard for a cicada emerging from its shell, but I didn't find it.
But if you had,
I would have been excited.